spiaggia così.
Aspetta il crono, ragazzi.
Prima c'era quello dei
Raga, ringraziamoci IP Italia per favore. Grazie. Guarda.
Se ci fosse stretto.
Foto del Brasile, vai! Lo lascio in macchina?
Devo metterlo dentro qua? Sì. In macchina lo devi lasciare.
In macchina?
Chiudo?
We've all heard so many conflicting words about life, whether wrong or right, and how you gotta be working hard, and it ain't no easy job to survive, just keep alive. We've all come to think of ourselves as links in a chain, so much to gain. We are the ones that are our fathers to our sons, don't you know? That's how we grow. What my life really means is that the songs that I sing are just pieces of a dream that I've been building. Stand and hey, I'm reaching out my hand, cause I know damn well we can and feel well. We gotta be
Le faccio! Yeah, man! Yes! Oh, oh, oh!
So close to getting in, it's always nice, with no sacrifice. But times have changed, and it is no longer strange to make a few corrections in our direction. Cause we are
Quella roba lì, capito? Che